Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, we're going to open up another monthly subscription from Czech Beads exclusive, and as always, I will have a link for you down there below the video in case you want to go and check this box out for yourself. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. And they've been putting this paper here in every month for the past 3 months. And it shows that this is their Czech Beads exclusive monthly subscription. It's their #1 box, and this is their bohem style subscription. Oh boy, this is going to be an Easter box, so that's really exciting. And there's going to be 21 items in this box. Okay, let's see. Oh wow, this is a cool bead. It does look like an Easter egg. That's neat. I gotta open this and look at it close. That's cool. It's glass too, you know. I've seen beads, plastic like this. Not this same exact pattern, but I've seen plastic beads like this, and they're pretty neat. And it's cool to see beads like this in glass now, so that's pretty neat. I like that. And it does look like an Easter egg. And here we have a ladybug. Czech glass. She's really cute. And then we have some daggers. I think they're daggers. They kind of have a spike to them though. They might be a different kind. That's a beautiful teal color. And there is this cord here. I've seen this on their website before, on Czech Beads exclusive website. It's really neat. It looks like a vine. That's cool. I'm going to set this to the side and I'll put that back in the bag later. Here are some more daggers. So see this dagger here, how it's like fanned out? This one here is different, so it's more like a spike. And then we have some flowers. These are pretty. Out of all the flower beads I have, I do not think I have this shape, believe it or not. Those are pretty. And these are gorgeous. Oh my gosh, what is this color called? These are awesome. I have 8mm Czech drucks that have this same kind of pattern on it. The color, I got them from Michaels. Michaels has them in stock all the time, but every time I go back and get another strand, it doesn't match my last strand. It's always different. And it's because they're made at different times, so they're not all exactly the same, but these are gorgeous. They're 4mm Czech fire polish beads, but the color of them are just beautiful. And then we have another one of these beads that look like eggs. Pretty cool. And then these here, these are awesome. What are those? These are drucks, Czech drucks, and they kind of look like the speckled drucks that I have that I've used in bird nests. I've made, these would work great for that by the way. I made a beaded bird nest ring a while back, and I went in the hunt and found these beads that looked just like bird eggs. Like robin's eggs. They were a pale blue with light specks of blue on them. These would also work for that ring. And I think you only need 3 for the ring, so you could actually do 2 rings with these. That would be cool. And then we have 4mm drucks, and this is a really cool metallic color. I kind of want to say it might be brown iris, but maybe not. It's more of a gray. Those are pretty. And here are some gorgeous pink. These are really pretty. 4mm Czech fire polish beads. And then we have 3mm Czech fire polish. And I think a Labrador full color. Those are really pretty. And then we have a butterfly. That's cute. I love this butterfly. I have a few of these. Love them. They're so cool. And I've never seen them in the store. I've only been able to get those online. These are 4mm Czech fire polish beads, and I want to say it's a Labrador color too, but these are matte and these are shiny. See the difference there? And then we have some more of these speckled beads. Those are so cool. White and silver. And then we have 4mm Czech fire polish beads. This is the, oh, what is this color called? I have this in Super Duos and Silky beads. I don't remember. It's one of my favorite color purples though. It's really pretty. I love that. And then we have 8mm Czech fire polish in the Labrador color again, matte. And these here, these are so cool. So this is like etched glass. I got this last month and I was calling it like acid, where they like put the beads in some kind of acid to erode the glass and make it look like this. And somebody mentioned etched glass. I'm like, duh, why didn't I think of that? That's what it is, it's etched glass. So this must be it again. But after they etched it, they put a finish on it. They look really neat. And here is another one in here too. They're really cool. They look old. They look like they're vintage beads. Here are 6mm Czech fire polish beads. Silver matte color. And then we have, oh, these are pretty. These are 4mm Czech trucks. That's a pretty color. I can't even describe what that color would be called. And then here are some flowers. And I think these might be etched too. They have large holes. I've never seen flowers with such big holes. Look at the hole. It's like a 1mm hole. It's really big. It's kind of unusual, huh? And then we have some folding cord ends for like 1/2 inch. Like a leather cord or suede. And then we have head pins about 1 inch long. And we have 2 lobster claw clasps. And then we have some little disc shaped beads. One side's a bead, the other side's just white. These are neat. And then we have some, looks like 8mm jump rings, probably like 20 gauge wire. And we have, I'm thinking these are 5mm Czech fire polish beads. It's like a pink color. And are these the same? No, I think they're different. This one's two-tone. This one's like pink, and then it's like clear on one side. Let's see. See that there? They're like two-tone. I think those are 4mm. And then we have another butterfly. Oh, and it's the same color as those beads I just had. Where'd it go? Not those ones, these. Same as these. It's pink. That's pretty. And we have some charms. These are little bunnies. Those are cute. They're so tiny. Really small. And then we have another one of these egg looking beads. Pretty cool. And some charms. Oh my gosh, it's a little chick. I gotta take it out of the bag. It's kind of hard to see. Sort of looks like a heart from a distance, but up close, right there's the chick eye, his beak, and his comb. That's really cute. And it's pretty solid too, it has some weight to it. Now I have pet chickens, so I love stuff like this. It's a cute charm. Oh, here's another one. And this one has patina on it, so you can see the detail of it more. It's pretty cute. And then there is these butterflies. Yep, created for you. These are also cool. I like those. They're thick charms, just like the chick ones. And here's some more butterflies. These are white. These are pretty too. I love these butterflies. Here are some gold 4mm Czech fire polish beads, matte. Here are some more butterflies. This is a pale yellow. I think it's jonquil, the color. And then we have 6mm Czech fire polish beads in gold. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff in this box. Here are some yellow pinch beads. And I think these are limes. Those are cool. I don't have any fruit Czech beads. I know that they're kind of popular, and I've seen them on Czech Beads exclusive, but I've never bought any of them. These are so cool. Look at that. They really do look like limes. Those are awesome. And there's two more. These ones have gold on them though. See that? There's a little gold in the details. They're pretty cool. I like those. And then we have cathedral beads. These are turquoise. Beautiful turquoise. Love those. Okay, so I'm going to do what I usually do, and I'm going to go through all the beads, figure out what they're all called, lay them out, and I'll come back and go over the list with you guys. Alright, I went over all of the beads and the list, and I'm actually realizing that there's more items here than they're saying on the list. So on the list, there's 21 items, but after going over everything, there's actually 43 bags of beads and findings and stuff. So what they did is they tried to save room on the list by putting things in lots. So for example here, this says fire polish beads. Now this is the only place on this entire list that says Czech fire polish beads, okay? And what they did is they broke it down by size. So there's 3mm, 4mm, 5, 6, and 8, and they have that there's 7 lots of the 5 and 6mm. So as you can see, they tried to save space. Over here there's polychrome beads, so there's 6mm, there's 2 lots. So right here there's 2 bags. So they just tried to, you know, make it smaller to fit on the list. So I'm going to go over everything with you guys. There was one thing that I saw that was messed up on the list, and it's these here. This says bracelet clasps 6mm. What could have happened, this has happened before, I've been subscribed to subscription boxes for years now, they probably ran out of clasps, so they just put something different in to replace that. Or they meant to say 6mm beads, because it has 6mm there, and they just put the wrong words there. Okay, so let's go over the list. So we have Czech fire polish beads, starting at sizes 3mm, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. This is 5mm, then there's 6, 6, 6, 6, and then 8mm, all Czech fire polish beads. And then there's lime beads. These are 14mm by 10mm, and they come in the 2 different finishes. And there is pinch beads. These are 5mm. There is a hair pendant, which is 5mm by 11mm. Super tiny hair is a little rabbit. And then there is cotton bracelet cord. This says 6mm, but I think it's bigger than that. I don't know what they're measuring. And then there's this here, the turquoise Picasso cathedral beads. And then we have butterfly charms. Those are so cute. 13mm. And then there is flat head pins. These here, 26mm by 0.8mm. And then there is butterfly beads. These are 14mm, and there's 4 different colors of these. And then it goes to the egg beads, and these are 13 by 9mm, and there's 3 different colors of those. And then there's the polychrome beads, 6mm, 2 of those. And then there is Easter charm, 15 by 13mm, and again there's 2 of those. And then there is, I'm thinking that these are it, chameleon beads, 4mm, there's 2 of those. And then there is open jump ring, 6mm by 0.7mm. And then there is tablet shaped Czech beads, 6mm. I got these in a previous box. I think they were in black. And then there's lobster claw clasp. There's 2 of those, 10 by 5mm. Ladybug, 9 by 7mm. Flower beads, These are 6mm flower beads, 10mm, and then there is dagger beads, 5 by 16mm, 2 lots, so they're the same length. And there is cord clasp, 6mm. So holy cow, that is a lot of items. Again, it says that there is 21 items on here, but after going over it and I saw how they broke up into lots, there's actually 43 different bags of stuff. This is the most I think that I've ever gotten in a Czech Beads exclusive box today. There is a lot of stuff in here, and I'm thinking that I'm probably going to be doing a project with the 4mm Czech flower polish beads because there's so many of them and I have more design options, and maybe the 4mm trucks. So I'll see what I can come up with. This is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, I will always put a link down there for the subscription box. You can go and check it out for yourself. This is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and make sure you click the bell button so you get notified when I upload new videos, and like me on Facebook. And don't forget to share pictures of the jewelry you've made from my videos on my Facebook page, and follow me on Pinterest. Thanks for watching.